Nigerian TV.
My people, una well done. Una good morning, una good evening, and una well done. Today we don't come again to give now the main cocoa of the news will be say happen today. We not dey new to the crisis when they happen for PDP and APC. We will touch on so many issues today. We will talk about wiki issue or matter. I want to say talk about say not get hand for Obaseki matter. When we say the whole internet scatter lies yesterday. So wiki can come this morning say he not talk like that too. Say he only talk say make the PDP people may take this matter lightly. Say make they not quarrel put. Say the party when they don't beat for so many years, they don't want make the thing come scatterize. That's what he say he talk. He say he get some Ogmoge newspaper where did that country. Now they forge everything when we say he not talk. Say I beg make una disregard that information we will receive yesterday because now conflicting matter or issues or news that would they get every minute regarding what they happen for that country. He say he not talk. He say he stand with PDP, but we could take this matter slowly so that we not come be say quarrel call the come out as they never even start to the run. Say if they not dey united, say things not work for them. That's so wicked. Tell us today. And the second one be Obaseki court case. You know, say yesterday internet can also boss say Obaseki not fit contest for primaries when they want to do tomorrow PDP primaries. Say the other aspirants when they PDP say they don't want step down for them. So court this morning, court talk say they not talk like that to say now all those are fake news. Say we did the only talk we say Obaseki get the right to contest with other aspirants. When they say they want contest with for tomorrow PDP primary election when you hold the 25th of June, which is tomorrow. And another one we will also get can be from Iyamu matter. Not Iyamu though they don't conduct the primary election for Edo State, for Benin City. Say na him win. So the new acting national chairman since they sack or suspend Oshomole talk say that election na wuru. Say they will reschedule another primary election for Edo State. They say he want make the election they very free and fair. Say the APC National Working Committee say now wuru they do when they remove Governor Nogega Obaseki, the current governor of the Edo State, when he be there under APC before when don't change to PDP. And people can also they say even though Iyamu win, say they fit not allow contest for the May election when it basically will happen for 19th of September 2020 when it will be between other parties and APC. Say me not just feel say in the win the primaries, say things don't gel for them because other APC governors they don't they congratulate them. Say he do very well. Say God stand gidigba for him back. Say as he just entered the party last year December and he just win the primary election. Meanwhile, other people when they the APC, person like Odubu and other people, the face they happy, the face not they happy. Though if one governor, if Iyamu come out now say na he can win for September 19th election, other APC members maybe say contest with them, they fit give them appointment or contract for them to recover. So other group also come dey calabash, lambast Oshomole, say Oshomole not get the right to make anybody governor. Say make they allow the will of the people to prevail than for Shomole to just bring somebody come out and with anything when he talk, other APC members will just follow am. Say Adams Shomole not be God. Say now the will of the people now it will prevail. Now PDP could attack iyamu. So say me no fit say Oshomole dey back. Say he will win the election. Say this election not be waiting they will talk for now. Say it go dey ruggedy, it go dey tough for both parties. Say me just put that one for mind. And say we get other parties. We not really they talk about other parties. We get some young parties. Maybe say they see they very, very active for that Nigeria. And this party, now last year, now they formed the party. The presidential aspirant of that party now, Omoyele Sowore, will be ACC. So today, ACC, they hold their primary election today. They talk say they want bring change to Edo State. Say their party don't really do wuru. Say their party don't they quarrel. Say that they very organized and they united. Say the free and fair primary election when they say they hold today, they say magu no day. They say anybody when the people like, then they will vote for. So now that means with the party when we say we don't really they hear what we're now. Now be APC, PDP, and AEC. So which one I think for this AEC matter? Because from what we see today and the report we will receive, the youth don't they stand up. They want fight for their right. They say now only ACC fit bring good governance to that state. Say now only ACC will fit do waiting any governance when we say don't enter, don't road that state before, we never do. Say now they will do it. And from the waiting we see today, the crowd not be small. People come out. They say no. It is time to take our country back. Maybe their slogan, take it back. And from the things when they call the show for social media, if they show say they really dey gidigba to fight or to drag with PDP and APC. And as we dey come dey hear, we know say the primary election of PDP will hold tomorrow, and PDP say that they very organized to make sure say the will of the masses prevail. Say they don't elect or select electoral committee when we say it will dey gidigba for that state tomorrow when you conduct the upcoming primary election for tomorrow. Say the people will be say they stand for ground gidi. Now men of Tiba and Caliber, they call out the 5-man committee. And this 5-man committee consists of different state governors, senators, and honorables. Say this committee, they're not going to do like the way when we say APC do when they remove Obaseki anyhow. Say their national working committee, They very straightforward because they don't fit make mistake before. When they say they take government from them, because they don't believe say they will take government from them. But today, a few of them come there into government. Though they still get a lot of states when we say PDP see the rule, but PDP and APC now they drag not be small. And this time, PDP say they ready for the election. Say now PDP get that state before Oshomole APC can take over am. Say because now the bad government when it happened during PDP time, now make the people come say no, now broom, that was this sweep PDP comot. Say everywhere they jaga, they scatter. So they come to say
DJ ATV.